Hi everyone, welcome to the BlueSky737Sim build channel. Today I've been looking at MIP lighting, so it's taken me a bit of time to get it all installed, but I'm pretty much there I think. Just to give you a little run through about what we've got. So down here we've got the knee panels, so you can see we've got the main panel lighting adjustment together with the 4 DUs. Now I haven't got the DUs set up yet, that requires a little bit of work in ProSim. The background, that's the 2 glare wing lights. Can't quite see them because they're not on yet, but they're tucked up inside there. There's one, the captain side, and then there is a second one here on the first officer side. They'll become a little clearer when the lighting comes on. Over on the first officer side we've got a more basic lighting panel, so that's the main panel backlighting for the first officer side together with the first officer PFD and ND DUs. Again, that requires a little bit of work in ProSim to set up. But I thought I'd just share this video with you today so that you can see what sort of progress has been made. We've got one further light, which is the AFDS flood. That's operated from the little rotary potentiometer on the captain's knee panel. You can see that on the right hand side of that twin potentiometer panel. There is going to be a further LED strip, and that will sit just above the MCP. Haven't quite finished the top of the glare wing yet, so we haven't got that in place, but just to give you an idea of what this looks like, I'll just operate these. So this is the excuse me, this is the backlighting for the MIP on the captain side. So that's the background glare wing light. You can see that just in there. And if I come over to the first officer side, you'll see the same thing on the first officer side. Whilst we're over on the first officer side, I'll just bring on the main panel lighting. There we go, so that's up. So that's pretty much on the minimum lighting levels. It will go a lot brighter, but it'll probably blow out on the video. So I'll just take that back down to something a little bit more sensible, or off. There we go. If we go over to the captain side now, do the same thing, bring on the lighting for the MIP on the captain side. So there you can see everything all lit up. If I then also now bring on the AFDS flood, can't quite see my hand operating it, but you'll see the flood come on. There we go. And if I just step back now, I think you'll get the full effect. So that's with the captain and first officer main panel lighting up. That's the 2 glare wing, what's referred to as backlighting, and then there's the AFDS flood. I think that looks pretty effective. I'm really pleased with that. Got to move on to get those DUs sorted. Needs the screen setting up in ProSim first, and also when I get the top onto the MCP, there'll be that further AFDS flood just to integrate into the existing one. Hope you find that useful. Sim's starting to come together. I'm going to be working on the CDU bay. Just wants the final bit of painting, and then the 2 CDUs popping in, and we'll set those up as well. Got a bit of painting to do. Knee panels, they've got to be painted, but it's starting to get there. Thank you for watching. My name is Martin, and this is the BlueSky737Sim build channel.